My hair looks like a tribble that's been hit by 3 buses. Let's see if we can fix it.
I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya. Complicate ya. I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya.
Messing with this stuff for 38 years and I haven't been able to fix it. I can't figure out why I would try to do it now. So obviously we all have the internet and we have all done oodles and oodles of research on ways to fix our horrible hair because there isn't very many of us on this planet that actually like the way our hair looks. Ever. On your trips around the internet, you'll find lots of natural cures from things like olive oil and beer and avocados and coconut oil and all different kinds of stuff. And at some point in time, I'm probably going to try all of them. Except beer. I already did that. It doesn't work. It really doesn't work. But today we are going to try mayonnaise. I am going to put mayonnaise in my hair because I don't know why. Okay, so the common misconception about using mayonnaise for your hair is that it is actually anti-breakage and it makes your hair stronger because it infuses your hair with protein. That is actually not the honest-to-God truth. It is not going to infuse your hair with protein because the protein that is coming out of the mayonnaise is actually too large to get into your hair. There is a special kind of protein, and I will put a link down below so that you can read up on this and find out exactly what it is you need. They'll actually also give you some products that you can use that are supposed to actually infuse your hair with protein. Unfortunately, mayonnaise is not one of those products. What mayonnaise will do for your hair is it will actually give you a little bit softer hair and give you a little bit more shine, which is something I could desperately use because I have got this horrible, nasty, curly, look at it. It's just, it's all over the place. As you can see, it's everywhere and I am going to try to fix it. I've been trying to fix it for 38 years. Welcome to my life. But let's go ahead and do that. So, I am getting my information from naturallycurly.com. I will put the link at the bottom like I said. And it's pretty simple. You wet your hair. You apply the mayonnaise as you would any conditioner. Evenly distribute the product until hair is saturated. Put on a shower cap or a plastic bag to trap the heat. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse, style, and done. So, first and foremost, let's go get some wet hair. Okay, so I have now washed and detangled my hair. I have also gotten a light because I just realized everything was kind of yellow. So now I look kind of funny, but unfortunately my bathroom isn't big enough for my lights. I use a softbox, so with the tripod and the light in here, it's a little bit... You're just going to have to deal with me having this white horror story glow coming from underneath me. Anyway, so like I said, I have wet my hair, I have brushed it out. Now, I did wash my hair. I just used a standard shampoo. I did not use any conditioner or any of my in-shower treatments because I have plenty. My shower looks like Ulta. We're going to go ahead and do this with the mayonnaise. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to put in the mayonnaise. Now, because I live in the South, we use Duke's mayonnaise. Obviously, you can use any kind of mayonnaise that you so wish, and this should go without saying, but do not eat the mayonnaise that you are using in your hair because you will be double dipping to get this all into your hair. So, pretty much what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting this in my hair, and then I am going to brush it in. So, let's see how that goes. And of course, as always, I forgot to take the little thing off the top. Now, I also wanted to point out that I did buy the tiny jar of Duke's mayonnaise for this. The reason I did this is because, obviously, now that it's open, it's going to have to be refrigerated when I'm done with it. And, because nobody listens to me, I am not going to put this in the refrigerator because no matter how many times I tell people not to eat the little tiny jar of mayonnaise that's in there because my hair is in it, someone is bound to make a sandwich. And somebody is bound to eat my hair. So I went ahead and I bought the tiny jar so that when I am done with it, I can just go ahead and throw it out. Obviously, if you have access to a refrigerator, it might behoove you to buy one of the 15-gallon jobs from like BJ's or Costco, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and say right now that I have changed my mind about brushing this in. It smells so bad. It smells so bad. Oh, I'm getting it all over my pajamas. Anyway, it stinks really, really bad, and I don't want this in my hairbrush, so I'm not going to brush this in. I'm going to brush it in with my fingers. There's mayonnaise on my bathroom floor. This is so disgusting. I can't even begin to tell you how freaking gnarly this is. Oh my god. Oh, this is so gnarly. Oh my god. This better work. I mean, seriously, this better work. This better be like miracle of miracles. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take one final glop. Because there is, yes, there are hairs hiding. There is always hidden hair. So I'm going to take one final glop. And I'm going to pile this mess on my head. There is so much mayonnaise-y horror. Can you, oh, which side is that? Oh, gross. Oh my god. I'm trying to get it up on the underneath. Oh my god, you guys, this is so, and there's like mayonnaise on my freaking forehead. Oh my god. I'm so glad I did this before I do my night routine. Oh god, this is so evil. Really, this really better work because it feels gross and it really smells gnarly. Okay, so now that I've got all this yuck piled up on top of my head, I'm going to use my little hair cap. I'm going to put this in. Now what this will do is this will hold in the heat to help this along a little bit and hopefully maybe contain the smell, because this is so going on the laundry. I'm doing the laundry tomorrow, so guess where this is going to be. Because now it's covered in mayonnaise and I can't hear a damn thing. Okay, so I'm going to wait about 20 minutes to a half an hour. As the instructions say. At that point, I will come on and I will unveil the nastiness. Then I will wash it out. But in the meantime, I'm going to get some stuff done. Things like shaving my legs before I get mistaken for a Sasquatch. And I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, so this crap has been sitting in my hair for about a half an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and unveil it. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to wash it out. I'm going to use shampoo to get it out because I'm going out with somebody tomorrow. And I don't want to smell like a sandwich and have him carry me a sandwich the whole time we're out. So, let's see what this nastiness looks like. Yep, there it is. So gross. So gross. And it smells really rank too. And then, ew, gross. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wash this out and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so it appears that I am done. Now, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to warn you, my hair is going to look like 50 Shades of Hell, but we're going to do it anyway. I don't know what it is about putting my hair up in this. It works really well for keeping my hair from being frizzy. But there's this. Do you see this? The trials and tribulations of having curly hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and brush this mess out. Oh, I just had all this untangled. Okay, just had all this untangled. And it is a hot mess. Now, I will say, my hair feels somewhat softer, but I'm also going to say this, it doesn't feel any softer than it does with regular conditioner. And my regular conditioner smells like flowers. And it doesn't smell like Subway. The smell is atrocious. It's absolutely atrocious. I can't tell if there's much more shine to it because it is wet still, so obviously it's got some kind of a shine to it. I'm not sure I'm ever going to be able to see a shine. I do have curly hair, and that's one of the things that when you have curly hair, especially aging curly hair, especially when your curly hair is baby fine, there's not much of a shine to it. So I kind of have to make do with what I have. Now, as far as softness goes, like I said, yeah, it definitely did soften my hair. But again, I don't see it as being any softer than my conditioner would do. So I don't know if this is worth doing. I mean, really, if you're looking to save money on a conditioner, you can buy drugstore conditioner, which is actually going to end up probably being about the same price, if not cheaper, than that tiny little bottle. I think I paid like $1.99 for that little bottle of mayonnaise. So, and I got that at Harris Teeter. It was $1.99, which isn't a bad price for a little jar of mayonnaise, but in all honesty, you're not saving any money. I don't see it as being earth-shatteringly different. And it stinks. It stinks really bad. Now, it doesn't smell now. Like I said before I did all this, I was going to wash my hair with a shampoo to get the smell out because I don't want to go out with this guy tomorrow smelling like a sandwich. So far so good. I am going to be brave. I am not going to put a leave-in conditioner in. I normally put in a leave-in conditioner when I get out of the shower, because if I don't, my hair absolutely looks like the end of the world. It will frizz. It will get horrible and nasty. And it'll be really, 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 really uncomfortable. But I am going to just do this, and I'm going to hope for the best. I'm going to hope that the mayonnaise... I normally put olive oil in my hair. Now, granted, this is a cream, but mayonnaise is kind of a cream, right? Kind of a cream, even though I did wash it out. But there we go. I mean, you guys can judge for yourself. I haven't had my hair down in my videos recently, so I mean, you guys can judge for yourself. Obviously, you can't touch it unless you have some kind of technology I don't have. But I don't think my hair looks any different. I don't think it feels any softer than it would with just standard conditioner. The smell's not really gone. It's not as bad as it was before, but it's not really gone. So you have to kind of deal with that eggy, mayonnaise-y smell in your hair for, God, I hope not long. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of what you're dealing with. I can't stand the smell. Hold on. I am going to break. I can't stand it. It's awful. I'm going to put this stuff in my hair. I actually did, I actually talked about this in a hair care video back when I was running this channel regular, and this has a smell. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to, since my hair is damp, I am going to go ahead and do this, and hopefully that will definitely keep the frizz down. But hopefully it'll also cover up the nasty smell. It's so gross. I can't. Jesus, I just sounded like I should be holding a pumpkin spice latte while wearing Uggs. Spare me the horror. I'm sorry if I just insulted you if you like pumpkin spice lattes and Ugg boots. Okay, looks like... Okay, well, at least now I can't smell mayonnaise. So, there you go. There's my shiny, soft hair. I don't recommend it. Like I said, it does work. It does soften your hair. If you have straight hair or wavy hair, it'll probably give you some kind of shine to it. If you're not almost 40, it'll probably give you some shine to your hair. But I just don't see it as being worth the mess, the smell, the time. I mean, this is taking a ridiculous amount of time to do. I mean, I'm already 2 hours into this video. This is ridiculous. I just don't see it as being worth that much more than a standard conditioner. I mean, if you're, like I said, if you're trying to save money, go buy some Suave. I mean, Suave makes some killer hair care products now. I just go out and buy some Suave. It's cheap. And it smells a hell of a lot better than Duke's mayonnaise. So be sure to tune in next time when I find some other weird crap to put in my hair. I do weird stuff for you people. I really do weird stuff for you people. Give me a thumbs up for doing weird stuff for you people.